Overthinking is just fear dressed up as being responsible. Here's a simple shift. Instead of asking, what if it goes wrong? Ask, what if it goes right? Then give yourself a decision deadline, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. When the timer ends, decide. Action gives you feedback. Overthinking gives you nothing. The Stop Overthinking digital kits walk you through proven ways to calm your mind, make decisions faster, and move forward without second guessing every step. If your brain won't stop spinning, get the Stop Overthinking kit and learn how to move with clarity instead of fear.